Another lovely chunky. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh dear. Might scrap another 20, don't know yet. This one, the classic corn, which is a bit of a bonus because it makes me want to use that bait now. Ah, crikey. We're happy with that. Another hard fighting airfield lake common. Let me just recover for a minute. Kicky. Oh, off you go. Beautiful. Well, we are doing alright, aren't we? To be perfectly honest with you. Quite impressive. So, yeah. Third fish. They do run into the weeds, so it's sort of a little bit problematic trying to get them out of it, but you just have to hold on and apply the pressure and just gently walk backwards, and yeah, you know, they do what they're supposed to do. Eventually come back. I'm quite happy about that. Good result, to be perfectly honest with you. I'm starting to worry if I'm going to actually get any sleep tonight, so don't know. There's a pending pending holiday and lots of stuff to do and days out and driving here, there and everywhere. I might have to sort of try and get a little bit of sleep. I don't know whether, you know, I might even, crikey, I'm actually thinking here of reeling the rods in at night. It depends, you know, how it sort of carries on, to be perfectly honest with you. It can be a bit savage here at night, so to be honest with you, the way things have been producing today, you know, I think I could get up at 4 o'clock tomorrow morning and crack them out, and wang a little bit more bait out there, and potentially stand a fair chance of catching a few fish during the day. So, don't know. Conditions tomorrow are completely different today, to be perfectly honest with you. Let me get outside. I didn't actually think I was actually going to get, well, I didn't think I was going to get anything today. Not during the day. Realistically, I thought I'd have to wait a little bit longer for one of these rods to go off. So, yeah, 3 takes, and yeah, pretty good, really, isn't it? Pretty good. But yeah, there we go. We're see the lake. It's absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. It's looking good. Behind there, Billy, all sorted out. Yeah, no, it's all good. Absolutely all good. Yeah, a bit knackered, to be perfectly honest with you, but there we go. But lovely sunny evening coming. It'll be quite nice, I hope. And I'm going to stop you there and flip you around, I think. There we go. Isn't that beautiful out there? Absolutely beautiful. Ah, yeah. Lovely sky. Really good. So yeah, that's, well, I'm really chuffed, to be perfectly honest with you. Still fish cruising around out there at the moment, rolling around, and you know, there's a funny feeling one of them could go off any minute. I'm sort of starting to think now that I'm glad I didn't put all the bait out in one foul swoop, because I'm going to need it to top up the swim to, you know, possibly to tomorrow during the day to get the same results as I have done today, and yeah, top it up for the night. And well, I need to be home at a reasonable time on Thursday. Got a few things I need to do, so yeah. but we'll see how tomorrow morning goes. No, I do need to get home. It'd be naughty not to. I said I've got to sort of I've got to prepare stuff and make sure everything's okay. We've got a few trips to the beach, a few trips here and there, and I need stuff. I need to sort stuff out. I need to, you know, find it in the garage, get things sorted out. So, got to be good. Family holidays, family time off, no fishing. So yeah, I've done well to sort of escape these last 2 weeks. My original post about everything, I didn't think I'll be back until September, but I couldn't wait until September. Totally and utterly impossible. So no, so I'm going to be, you know, be good, be kind, and yeah, just reap the rewards of these last 2 sessions. Fantastic. As far as I'm aware, there's one other guy on here to my left, and that is that. But there could be more, which I can't really see. Just got my little my little view in front of me. Right, barring a beautiful sunset and a few more carp, I shall catch up with you later on, really. Good morning, everybody. It's now about 7:15. I got up at just before 6. Flat calm, absolutely gorgeous. No fish in the night. I'm basically putting that down to the weed, and they probably just bugged out of the weed and just sort of disappeared to sort of less weedier waters for the night. Because obviously we all know the weed collapses a little bit the night, and yeah, less oxygen out there. So I had a reasonable night's sleep, not a brilliant night's sleep, quite hot really. So if I fancy catching something tonight, I'm going to sort of relocate the right hand rod to my right, just over there. Not literally, it's not far more, it's an underarm cast, and I might do something similar to the left hand rod. I don't know really. Problem is you can't fish two rods in the margins here because you're just going to wreck the joint straight away. But yeah, my plan all along was to basically sort of get up about nowish, you know what I mean, a while ago, spom out a load more bait, which I've done. Since I got up, there's not a lot really showing when I got up. Since I've spommed out, the fish have been moving around a little bit more, certainly sort of showing their signs in this area. The day there's just one out there at the moment to the right, there's one out there to the left at the moment. So we'll see. There's bits of weed dotted around there, so I don't know whether it's worth putting a bait out there at night. I don't know. There's one just crashed there, so they're getting ever closer to that weed bed. They'll be in there during the day, which will be absolutely perfect. So I don't sort of wear myself out, get a good night's sleep to a degree, and yeah, take it from there. Realistically, that's all I can do. But yeah, feeling confident today. I'm not sure what the weather's going to do, but it sort of looks a little bit sort of lighter over that side. There's a bit of light over there, so maybe this rain has disappeared and gone the other way. I'm just going to pick some blackberries. I'm going to do myself a cup of coffee and my porridge soon, and yeah, be absolutely fantastic. All good, healthy eating. Beautiful. What more could we ask for, really? A nice burger in a bun with a load of onions and mushrooms. Not so much anymore. Maybe occasionally, but not so much. Right, I'm going to crack on and get things going for the day. Tidy up my bivvy and yeah, sit in or sit out. Don't know yet. We'll just have to see how it goes. Oh, off we go again. We're in. Gently walking back and forwards again, keeping that fish under control. Slowly but surely get into the net. It's going to take your time and rush. Oh, this is taking a lifetime. But you've got to take it slow. I can't do anything silly. I'll get overconfident in these situations. Oh, nearly there, nearly. Get that camera on, concentrating every time. Let's get the angle right, the old camera. Very big. They never come into the exact same place every single time, as much as you try to do it right. Right, let's get that net. Hopefully it's not tangled this time, shall we? There, look at that, absolutely perfect. Rightio. First fish of the day. Let's see how this one goes. Make sure I don't get booty. It's 1 foot and a half, well, a foot and a little bit drop straight down. You've got to be very, very careful. Well, there we go. Just broken surface. There we go. The lump of weed is getting ever closer. Well, if you look carefully, you'll see the fish rolling at the back of the lump of weed, so it's going to be a tricky one to get the weed and the fish in the net at the same time. But we'll get there. So I'll put just wait for the weed to more or less hit the spreader block and then just scoop, and then all being well, you've done it. Always keep a hand on the rod just in case. Just suddenly discover that the fish is not actually in the net at all, just about to escape on you. Alright, that's all good. Right then, let's get that weed out of the net now. You can't be doing with lifting tons and tons of weed out of the net on the bank. It won't do the fish good and it won't do your net any good. And once I've sorted all that out, I'll sort that weed out. I cannot stand weed on the bank or in the front of your swim. It just stinks and smells. Sometimes you can't help it. You don't have a lot of choice in the matter. There's just nowhere to put it because the lake's rammed with weed. Oh, nearly there. A few more bits. Let me get the altar. That's not the biggest, but hey, getting up early and yeah, baiting up, freshening up the hook baits, getting them out there. Seem to have done the job realistically. Nice catalyst wafter, so happy with that. Now what I'll do is just might just quickly weigh it and then get it back in the lake. Superb. And this one is. Happy with that. I thought it was a little bit bigger than the one the other day. A bit more stockier. I'm looking around with that one then. Oh, we're off again. Superb. No, no, maybe not. Ah, hook pull. Can you believe it? Ah, dear. Oh well, these things happen. Oh my word, the other rod's away now. Oh, carnage going on here. Just hope this one gets in, shall we? Come on. Ugh. Horrible sinking feeling here. Another hook. Never. Please, please stay on this time. Come on. Slow and steady wins the race. We're gaining ground. We're getting there. Hopefully we're in control now. That's what we want to be. Don't want the fish in control. I need to be in control myself. Well, the rain has arrived in the swim. The fish seems to be a little bit silent at the moment. They're around. I wasn't even here by this time yesterday, so I've got no real sort of concept of when the fish were in the swim and when the fish weren't in the swim, to be perfectly honest with you. So I've got to wait and sort of see what comes my way anyway, to be fair. Yeah, it's a shame I lost that one, and a bit of a shame that heavy liner on the other one, it wasn't actually picking up the bait, but that's how it goes really. With the way the weed has been, I've sort of been, waiting to lose one, to be perfectly honest with you, because the smaller fish just don't seem to be able to get themselves out of the weed as much as the bigger fish do. It's a bit of a shame. It was brand new super sharp hook as well, no mucking around with that one, so I think it's just a little bit unfortunate. My only concern is I've sort of running out of 4-ounce leads, so I'm on 3-ounce leads, and whether it's the size difference in leads that's causing the hook not to go in so far, because these fish are a funny bunch on here. And why I started using my stow bobbins and ramming them in down tight, so I just get a good old sort of chunk when I pull them out of the clip, just to get that lead going in there a little bit better. Lead hook, yeah. But it's looking good. It's conditions, I must admit. So I don't think it's going to rain all day. Fish are slightly slow more to my right, actually. Excuse me. Developed it. Hiccups. Yeah, the fish seem to be showing a little bit more to my right in that sort of deeper water. I can't see to the left, to be fair, where I'm sitting. I'm stuck in the bivvy, so I can't see what sort of left of my swim, but I can see what's sort of straight out when the right hand rod goes, and there's a few signs of stuff moving around there, so less than there has been. There's no sort of fins and tails flapping around and sticking out. As I said a minute ago, I don't know, actually, that was That was definitely a carp just rolled over my right hand rod, so you do never know whether it's going to zoom off any minute. I might sort of wait for an ease in the weather, about sort of half 12ish, top the swim up, to be perfectly honest with you. That could be an option, try and sort of get a little bit more bait out there. That was a grieve. I wonder if it was a grieve that I saw a minute ago. Might have been, don't know. I've been keeping an eye on the grieves, and I thought they'd come out of the swim and gone away. There's two over the back, one to the right, but yeah, oh well. There's some fish way in the distance. Which is well and truly out of fishing range, to be perfectly honest with you. So they're all in here. The bigger fish seem to be to the right at the moment. I've had some big wallows, or deeper water to the right down there, so could be that's drawing them to it. I feel more confident when the rain eases off. It's normally when you get a bite. Well, here, I don't like the rain. I'm normally fishing deeper water than this, so it's all a little bit of a learning curve for me. So we'll just have to see. It's a bit brighter out there in the distance, so you never know what's going to occur soon. There we go. Right. See where we go, won't we? Yeah. Gently does it. Easing the pressure on and slowly getting back closer to this lake. It's nice when you see them break surface the other side of the weed bed. Just know you're in safer grounds. Come on, nearly there. Slowly coming towards the net now. Getting closer. Huge great lump of weed. Absolutely ridiculous. Just take things slow and steady. Last thing I want to do is really frustrating. Getting there. It's with the fish fighting now, might break out. I've done before, which was absolutely perfect. Oh, happy days. This thing weighs a ton, absolutely ridiculous. Rightio, now to dig the carp out of the weed. See if we can make sure it's in the net, because we're not really sure, because we can't see anything at all, whatever's going on whatsoever. Oh my word, it's going crazy. Oh, my boot's full of water. I can't believe it. Absolutely soaked. I should have put my waders on. I normally put my waders on when it's raining, it makes life so much better. Oh, horrible, horrible. Wet soggy legs, wet soggy feet. Ah, yeah, horrible, horrible. Right then, let's empty my boots out, not fall over some old man on the bank. And the other one. Oh, disgusting. Yuck. Oh, about 18, 19 pound this one. An absolute two booties trying to get this one in the net. Ah, ridiculous. But hey, happy days. It's all good fun. That's what fishing's all about. Superb, eh? Gonna weigh it, 18, 19-ish. Might scrape 20, which would be nice. And yeah, good to see, really, isn't it? Happy days, happy days. Righty. Oh, we're away again. Superb. Come on. Yeah, I was just rebaiting my other rod, and this one went off. Unbelievable. Can't believe it. So, amazing really, these fish are just so on the munch. Oh, please don't tell. Yeah, I have. Another hook. Unbelievable. And I got a clump of weed to my efforts. Fantastic. Up the line and round the thing and everything. Oh my word. Well, the weed's sorted out. All I need to do is clip a new lead on. That bait's not even been out there 15 minutes, so I'm going to wrap it up, get it back out there on the spot, and with any luck it'll rattle off again. So fingers crossed, realistically. I'll tell you what, it's definitely worth getting up this morning at 6 o'clock and getting all that bait out there to play it off. The question is, am I do it again tomorrow morning, or am I pushing away at the bigger fish? I don't tell, can you? I'm really there, just don't lose count.